This particular blog, folks, is the one that anyone thinking about going into business, is even contemplating it, dreaming about it, should read. Because this is important. You're going to be able to compare yourself to successful business owners, the guys and girls that have made it, to determine what your predictable and probable success might be. So don't be afraid to look deeply inside the mirror of self, because that's where the answers are. We can't give them to you, they're your answers. The best way to get this done is don't be a wuss. Don't be frightened of yourself. Look into the mirror and give us honest answers to the questions that the questionnaire that we've developed will ask you. It's for your benefit. Now, we also have 4 other questionnaires which will help you. Your time and stress management and your proclivity to be self-delusional or be a sucker. So please give us your comments. Keep them coming. We really appreciate it. Thank you.